Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am really excited to share with you these recipes today. I'm using my crock pot to make up some shredded chicken. I make shredded chicken in my crock pot at least once a week. It is so great in a ton of different recipes. It's great for snacking. My kids just love it plain. So we do a lot of shredded chicken. I have my favorite ever kitchen gadget. I use this multiple times a week. This chicken shredder is amazing. Really inexpensive from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description box, but it just shreds the chicken up so quick and easy and so good. So I'm making some shredded chicken. I'm going to share with you 5 recipes using shredded chicken. I love to mix up chicken. We eat a lot of it in our house. It is our favorite source of protein. So you don't have to eat just plain chicken every day. You can definitely mix it up. So you're going to love these 5 recipes, 5 ways to use shredded chicken. They're quick and easy, and I know you'll really enjoy them. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. If you love quick and easy recipes, I do a lot of crock pot cooking, dump and go recipes that really save me a lot of time. So make sure you subscribe, and let me share with you these 5 recipes using shredded chicken that I make in my crock pot. This is how I make my crock pot shredded chicken. You can do 2 chicken breasts, 3 chicken breasts, really however many you want. I just do a little bit of seasoning, add your favorite seasoning, and then you cook it on low for 6 to 7 hours, and it is ready to go. That is literally all you need. I have my chicken shredder that I just use all the time. Get so much use out of this thing. Shredded chicken is so versatile. You can do so many things with it. You can mix up the flavors to whatever you want. That's why I absolutely love these recipes. So I'm just spinning around the chicken, put it back into the crock pot and kind of mix it back up with any juices that are in there. And this is ready to go. So I love having shredded chicken on hand. It's great for so many things, snacks, salads, sandwiches, so many recipes. So I'm going to share with you this first one is going to be a chicken salad. So I have dried cranberries. I have some grapes that I cut up. I have some mayonnaise and I have some dried dill as well. I'm going to be making this little chicken salad and adding it onto a croissant. You can add this onto tons of different things, crackers. You can eat it plain. It is really so good. This shredded chicken just goes really great with this. So give it a little mix and you can make as much or as little of this as you want. You could just make 1 sandwich worth or you can make a big batch. So it is definitely customizable. So I'm adding it onto my croissant. This is a perfect light lunch or a great dinner. Also, absolutely love chicken salad. So I am going to actually cook a little bit of some ingredients with this shredded chicken. So I'm going to add in some cream cheese, which makes everything better, of course. So I'm just cutting it up into some little pieces. I have a tablespoon of ranch seasoning and I have some bacon crumbles. So I'm adding in half a cup of bacon crumbles. And that is all I'm going to add. I'm going to cook this chicken on low for 7 hours. And here it is. It's all nice and creamy, juicy. And now I'm going to shred it up with my chicken shredder. So this is just a really fun way to change up the flavors of your chicken to some really awesome shredded chicken. And I'm going to be making some sandwiches with this shredded chicken, this bacon ranch chicken. So it is really versatile. You can do tons of different things besides sandwiches. You can add some pasta to this. You can add some rice on the side and some veggies as well. So really yummy, and I love this stuff. So much flavor. Anything with bacon and ranch, I am definitely a big fan of. It's such a good combo. So stir this around into the yummy sauce and then you will be ready to go. So you can do a ton with this shredded chicken. I just absolutely love how easy it is. So I have a little toasted bun and I'm going to add the shredded chicken onto the bun. I'm also going to add on some shredded cheddar cheese as well, or you can even do a slice of cheddar cheese if you want. And this makes it really good. Serve with a side salad and you have a really great dinner. So this crock pot shredded chicken recipe is going to be an angel chicken. I have 2 chicken breasts, a can of cream of chicken soup. I'm going to add in a packet of Italian dressing seasoning, and this is going to give it so much flavor. I also have some cream cheese. I'm going to use half of the block of cream cheese. So this is rich and creamy with so much flavor. I cooked this on low for 7 hours. This sauce is amazing. This is one of the best sauces ever. So now I'm going to take the chicken out and shred it up with my chicken shredder. And like I said, I use this shredder all the time. I use it multiple times a week because we really do eat a lot of chicken. And it's just my most used kitchen little gadget, besides my crock pot, of course. So I just love this thing. I'm going to put a link to it in the description box from Amazon. Really good value, and I use it all the time. So I am just shredding up this chicken, put it back into this yummy, yummy sauce. I just can't get enough of this sauce. I am going to serve this one with some pasta and some veggies, but you can serve this with rice and veggies. You can mix and match this with all kinds of different things. This chicken is just so, so good. So I have some protein noodles. I've been doing a lot of protein pastas. It's really good. But this chicken is rich and creamy and amazing and so easy. So I'm going to be doing some sliders. I have Hawaiian roll sliders with my shredded chicken. So I have my bread cut in half. I have my shredded chicken. I'm going to use this spinach artichoke dip. I'm going to use half of the container. This dip is so good. I get it at Walmart. I use it in a ton of different appetizers and a ton of different recipes. So I'm just mixing it around. Now I'm going to add this into my top of my Hawaiian rolls, and I'm going to spread it nice and evenly. I'm going to bake this in the oven once it's assembled. So I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. Now I'm going to add on some sun-dried tomatoes. I absolutely love sun-dried tomatoes. These are so, so good. They have the best flavor. So you can add as many as you want. I like to do a nice little layer so that I can get a little piece of sun-dried tomato in each bite. So you can add as many as you want. And I have these rolls now cut up into the tops. I'm going to add them on. I'm going to brush with some butter and some garlic powder. So I have my melted butter and then my garlic powder. I'm going to kind of mix that up together. And then I'll brush the tops of these dinner rolls with the melted butter. It just makes it so, so good. These are really great. They're great to serve to a crowd if you're having people over. I love sliders. So I like to cut these before I put them in the oven. It helps when after you make them and you pull them out, it helps them really come apart a lot easier. So once they're cooked, you can really just grab them and pull them apart. You don't have to cut them if you don't want to, but I find it works a lot easier. Here they are all done. So good with the shredded chicken. So I have my chicken breasts, and I'm going to be making a classic chicken noodle soup with my shredded chicken. So I have carrots, I have some garlic powder as well. I love this chicken noodle soup recipe. It is so, so easy, and it is really just a huge, huge hit. So anything with shredded chicken, I am a big fan of. So I'm adding in 6 cups of chicken broth, and I'm going to cook this on low for 7 hours. You can do it on high for 3 hours if you'd like. So now it is all cooked, and then I will remove this chicken. So I'm going to take the chicken out, and then I'm going to add in my noodles for the chicken noodle soup while I shred up this shredded chicken. So now I'm going to add in some egg noodles, which is my favorite for chicken noodle soup. You can add in whatever your favorite types of noodles are. So I'm just going to add in 4 cups of egg noodles. And I'm going to put the lid back on to the crock pot for 20 to 30 minutes, and it will cook up these noodles. They'll be absolutely perfect. This is such a delicious classic chicken noodle soup. I love this one. It is on a repeat at our house, especially in the wintertime when it's cold out. So love it. So now I'm going to shred up my chicken, and I just cut it in half so that it fits a little bit better into my chicken shredder. So I'm going to shred all of this chicken up. So this shredder has some like little spikes on the bottom, some little spikes on the top as well. So it really like holds that chicken in place, and then you just spin it around and it is good to go. So I just love how quick and easy this is, and it shreds it up. You can shred chicken however you want. You can use some people use a mixer. You can just use fork or tongs if you want to. So whichever way you want to shred it up, just do whatever works for you. So now that my noodles have been cooking for 20 to 30 minutes, they look amazing. Give them a little stir, and then I will add the chicken back in. You can also add in celery to this recipe if you want to before you, while you're adding in the carrots and the other ingredients. But we like to keep the celery out just as a preference in our family. Also add some salt and pepper to taste as well, and you'll be all set. This chicken noodle soup is so good. It's just a really great classic version that is so easy to make with shredded chicken. You can use any kind of cooked chicken. You can do rotisserie chicken also in all of these recipes if you'd like, or any kind of cooked shredded chicken. So I hope that you loved these recipes. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.